Hey everybody, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today I'm working on this sign that just reminds me so much of summer. So my husband made it, and it's hung by a rope, and it has some chain in between it, chain links to hold the signs together. We did staining in different colors, including an aqua and a sage. I think it's really pretty. So the main transfer that I put on here is this way too, and we have the beach, we have the lake, and we have the mountains. And then I took some other transfers to represent the starfish for the beach and the sailboat for the lake, and some mountains with evergreens for this way to the mountain. This is a fun one. Now, to just remind you all, and if this is the first time that you've seen any of this, this is a netted silk screen transfer, and it's sticky on one side, and it's reusable, which is awesome. You can, they say between 8 and 12 times, but you can get more if you just take good care of it. And depending on the surfaces that you put it on, it can go on almost any surface. But some of them are a little rougher on it. Like wood, it can have little wood chips and stuff. You just have to take care of it and clean it really well. Cleaning it, you just put it in lukewarm water, or just cool water, not hot, not cold. You could just wash it with water in your hands, or we also have, I can't even think of the name of it right now. It's just a little round scrubbing pad, board eraser, that helps take a lot of the chalk off. Then you can use Clorox wipes, and you dry it sticky side up, and when it's dry, then you put it back on the backing. The shiny side of the backing goes to the sticky side of the transfer. And the tool we use is a squeegee. You just squeegee on the chalk. Make sure you fill in all the netted areas. And then take off the excess, put it back in your jar. And you just take the transfer up, and you have a beautiful result almost every time. Now I'm finishing up with the mountains, and pointing the arrows and the evergreens. I have quite a few different colors here. I have bright white for the lettering. I have the teal and the meadow for the evergreen. Let's see, what else did I have? I think I have a almond for the shell. And there it is hung up. The mountains, the lake, the beach. This way too, all of these.